Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra2 and today I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to download additional watch faces, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy Wearable application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Galaxy Wearable and tap on the My Faces or My Watch Faces, and here you will be able to tap on this plus button, and right here we have the list of watch faces, and you can scroll through it, look for something you like. There's quite a few of them. Find the watch face you would like to add to your watch, and once you find one that you are interested in, you can simply tap on it and tap on apply. It will be applied on your watch like this. So that's one way to download additional watch faces. Another way is to use the Google Play Store on your watch. We can move the phone here, move the watch to the middle, zoom in so you can see better, and basically on the watch you can go to open the Play Store. Of course you will need to have a Google account on your watch and internet connection as well, but you can open the Play Store. And here you can scroll through the categories, tap on browse watch faces, and then you can scroll through the list, find something you would like to use. And once you find the watch face that interests you, you can see the reviews, the screenshots and stuff like that. So check it out. And once you decide to install the watch face, you tap on install. You will need to allow some permissions. You can also set it immediately after it installs. You can also enable the option to do it all the time. I'm gonna set it, and after that the watch face should be applied. If it won't, we can always deal with it. So let's see, it is installed and it was applied automatically, as you can see. And if it wasn't, you could open the watch face menu, and if it wasn't here in the menu, you can tap on add watch face and look for it right here on the list, and you should find it somewhere here, and then you can tap on it to add it to the menu and then apply it. And basically that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.